replace a 2012 Gerber toilet due to clogging easily and some flapper leakage that keeps filling up. That's why it keeps running. Alright folks, first thing we do is turn the water supply off. We turn it to the right. And then second, we're going to drain the rest of the tank now. Third, we're going to remove the float out. Okay. And then we're going to use the sponge here to get all the water out. I know it's disgusting right here, but it's just from the bolts that it's been staying for long. Make sure you gotta get all the water out. I found a really cool trick that's called liquid lock. And then when you pour it, because watch what'll happen. It'll turn to jello, but you have to wait for 5 minutes. While we wait for the water to turn into jello, there's a bucket. So when we turn this, when we unhook this water supply, out, it could catch extra water into a bucket. There we go. Alright, now we're going to loosen the bolts. Wow, look at what the liquid lock did. It almost looks like icy jello. Next, we're going to lift the toilet out and put it on this plastic right here so it doesn't have leaks in there. While we're moving the toilet, there is some hard caulking, so it took a while to try to move it. This, my friends, this is the wax ring. You have to use a putty knife to get that out. After you take the wax ring out, make sure you have to scrape really good on that. Next, make sure you get the old caulking out before installing a new toilet. Even if we're not going to replace the toilet immediately, we're just going to put that shirt in there so it can eliminate the gas smell. Okay guys, now we got the perfect sealed wax ring in place in there. One thing you could do to get the toilet straight is we gotta put tape in just to make sure the toilet is straight while you put it in there. Okay, the toilet is in there. And the tape means that is lined up straight. Looking pretty good. Now we got the washer and this thing in. We put the screw in. Next, the bolt cap. Next, hook the water supply up. Make sure you don't over tighten it, because if you over tighten it, it will crack the tank. Next up, turn up the water. Look at that. Filling up pretty slowly. Here's the first flush. Also, it looks pretty nice here. Here's the seat. It's a slug host seat. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.